All right, okay, sorry about that. I somehow got kicked out of the system. Not sure what happened, but okay. So let's see. So we were starting, we just worked 13, so I'll have to have a separate video for that one then. And then I'm going to work now 14 through 20, okay? So 14 says that we're buying a car. And the nice thing about this formula is that this problem is that it actually gives you the formula that you need. Sometimes on the problems on your test, sometimes it might give you the formula like this that you're going to use. Sometimes they'll have a list, a short list that'll have you choose multiple choice from before you start that. And then other times it may not give you any formula, and then that's why you're allowed to use your formula sheet on the test. So you'll have like a variety of ways that will be presented. And so in this case, we want to use this formula, which is right here. Let's see, right here. And then just be careful because this is a negative exponent, negative NT. So this we will not relocate. Earlier when we were working this problem, I told you how you could put this part on the bottom because negative exponents mean you rewrite it. That would be okay for that. But that doesn't apply to this because you also have this 1 and this minus all in this bracket. And that's why we won't apply that to this because it's extra information that's there. We'll just leave it here. And then make sure when you put this negative, you're not going to use the negative sign. Don't use the negative sign. You want the sign changer key, not this negative. Okay. All right. And so let's go ahead and make use of that then. Let me write the formula. So the denominator, you have a lot going on the bottom. 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus r over n, close parenthesis minus nt. I'll close that bracket. Okay. Okay, so this is 14. You're trying to find the monthly payment and the total interest for the loan. Okay, so monthly, this is standing for your monthly payment. All right. Okay, so your P is going to be, because you had this price of the car, but then you put down 7,000. So I'm gonna subtract that, and I'm gonna show that here. I'm gonna say that you have the 30,635, but then you put 7,000 down. So I'll write it like that, okay, for now. And then your rate, they said it was 5.56%. 5.56%. So you move your decimal 2 places to the left, or you can show that you're dividing that by 100. So 5.56 divided by 100. See how that moves that 2 places to the left? Okay, so that's your R. Okay, and then your N is, let's see, we're buying a car, and it says monthly payment. See, monthly payment. So you're going to make a payment every month for that year, right? So over 12. Okay, all right, and let's see. Okay, and it's all over 1 minus 1 plus 0.0556 divided by 12 to the negative n. So n is 12, negative 12. times t. And how long are we doing this for? They said 5 years. 5 years. So that's actually a negative 60. All right. Negative 60. Okay. So then I have payment PMT. Okay, so let me see what's let me subtract that 7,000. So 30,635 minus 7,000 is 23,635. Okay, and then let me just see if this terminates. Let me see what happens when I do 0.0556 divided by 12. Does it terminate? Nope. See that? All those repeating threes? Yeah, so you do not have permission to round that off and cut that off yourself. No, because then you'll have round off error. So you're going to have to work with that, okay? You'll have to work with that. Okay, so let me just let me do this so that I don't have to rewrite all of that again. Which y'all could do, like if you were taking a test, you could just put the because it doesn't terminate, because it doesn't terminate, you have to work with that. So we're basically going to have to type this in. So if you were taking a test, you don't want to have to just rewrite all of this again because just for this. So right now, what you're doing on a test, you could just put this up here, 23,635. You could write that there. And that's this value right after you subtract. That way you don't have to rewrite this again. What I'll do, since I'm reviewing, I'll go ahead and put that here. So that just when we type it in, you can see a little bit clearer. And it's raised to the negative 60 power. Let me close the bracket. Let me close the bracket here. Close the bracket. Okay, now let's use that N over D key. Okay, so I have, let me clear this. So here's my N over D key. Okay, and in the numerator, let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's see. So in the numerator, I'm going to type 23,635, open parentheses, and actually, we can go back. Let's see, go back. Actually, I could, instead of open parentheses, I can actually do this in D key again. Nope, because that puts it at the bottom. Okay, no, so I do need to parentheses. Let me clear this. Okay, so let me start N over D key, 23,635, and then open parentheses. Now here I can do this, see this N key again? And on top I put 0.0556 and then push this down, 12, and now I push this out. See that out? So the right side of this, and then close the parentheses. Okay, and then I want to push this down, go to the bottom. Okay, and then I want to type this in. So I shouldn't need these brackets because that's why we want to make sure we had this horizontal key, so I wouldn't have to worry about putting these brackets. So all this is clearly in the denominator. So I want to do 1, take away, open parentheses, 1 plus point, oh, let me go back. 1 plus, and then we can do this N over D key, see? So 1 plus, and on top, I want 0.0, the backspace, 0.0556, and then on the bottom, divided by 12. Okay, now I want to close the parentheses, but I don't want to close it down here. I need to close it right there. So I need this part, see? So it's out here. And then close the parentheses. And then I'm going to raise it. So I'm going to hit my caret key right here, my caret key, raise it to the negative 60 power. So negative, the subtraction sign, but this negative, see this negative right here, sign changer, negative 60 power. Yeah. And there was no need for this bracket. That's why we're using this N over D key. It's horizontal. So we actually don't need those brackets when we're using that key. And there's no need to push this out or anything because we're going to do an enter. So we're actually done. I mean, if you wanted to, you could, but there's not a need to. There's not a need. You push it out here. There's not a need to. It's not like you have to like try to multiply it by % times 100 or anything like that. So this is fine. Just hit enter. Okay, and then you get, let's see, we get the same thing. 452.11. Yep, that's good. So PMT equals 452.1108.101. And let's see, what are we rounding this to? 14 to the nearest cent. Okay, so tenths, hundreds. Okay, is this 5 or more? No. So we have approximately 452.11. This is not 5 or more, so this remains the same. It remains a 1. So the monthly payment is about $452.11. Okay. All right. Now, for the total interest, they also want the total interest. So for that, you've got to do like it was monthly. That's 12 times how many years are we doing this for? So this was 5 years, and then times your payment, which is the $452.11. And then you're going to subtract that loan value, subtract your loan value, which was the $23,635. Remember, this was the price of the car, but you put down $7,000, so that's the $23,635. 23,635. Okay, so we're doing this every month for 5 years, and the payment was $452.11. Okay, so now we have 12.5 times 452.11 here. 27,126 and 60 cents. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract these two values. So 27,126.6 minus 23,635 is 3,491 and 60 cents. Okay. And that's your total interest. Okay. All right. Okay. Is that all right then, class? It's your total interest. Yeah. Okay. So the loan that you took out, you know, they had to charge you a little bit, right, for borrowing that loan. So yeah, after you figure out each payment that you made for how long, 5 years, interest. Okey-doke. Okay. so that's 14. Okay, now let's go to 15. 15 says, suppose you drive 22,000 miles a year and gas averages $3 a gallon. What would you save by driving a hybrid that averages 38 miles per gallon versus a SUV that averages 21 miles per gallon? Compute the savings in a few expenses. Round to the nearest dollar as needed. Okay, so the formula you need for that, you go back to your sheet here. See this right here, cost of gasoline, annual fuel expense is equal to the annual miles driven divided by the miles per gallon, the hybrid and the SUV. And then okay, talks about in this section how a large portion of a car's operating expenses involves the cost of gasoline. Okay, and so that would be an interest for figuring this out. Okay, so the only thing though with hybrids is they always say with a hybrid it's like you're always on an airplane. You know, when you get on an airplane, once you get off an airplane, you've got to get grounded. You've got to, when was the last time your feet touched Mother Earth? So think about when was the last time your feet actually touched the earth, touched the grass, right? So the only thing is when you're on a plane, you have to, you know, get grounded. So I don't remember which, I don't remember if the earth is the positive and we're the negative, but you need to, you know, disperse of that. So when you're on a plane, you've got to, once you get off a plane, you should get grounded. So the thing is, if you're in a hybrid, the same thing is you'll always have that issue where you're in a hybrid. It's like you're in an airplane, so you always have to get rid of that. Okay, but just so you know about the hybrids, just one thing you have to be careful with. So okay, let's look at the formula. Let me just write that down. So 15. So we've got this. Annual fuel expense, and it's equal to the annual miles driven over the miles per gallon times the price per gallon. Okay, so we have the annual fuel expense for the hybrid. Okay, so if you go back to the miles driven on the hybrid, and it said that, okay, it said that they're both driving 22,000 miles. So for both of these problems, the numerator is going to be the same. 22,000 miles is your mileage, it's the same, and then the miles per gallon, so you're going to divide that by no, what's the same as the price per gallon. Yeah, so the annual miles driven and the price per gallon, those are going to be the same for both problems. So the miles, you're driving 22,000 miles a year. Okay, so that's going to be the same for both problems. And then what's also the same is the price, and gas averages $3.45 a gallon. Yeah, so what's changing is your denominator, Sin, because on your denominator, and we're doing the hybrid first. So the hybrid, it averages 38 miles per gallon. 38 miles per gallon. So miles is MI per gallon. Okay. And this was $3.45 per gallon, and you're driving 22,000 miles. Okay. All right, so then I should be able to just type that all into the calculator here. Let's see. So if I do, you have a choice. You could do 22,000 divided by 38 times 345, or you could do 22,000 times $3.45 and then divided by 38. So I'll do it both ways. You should get the same answer. Okay, 45. And that gives me this 1997.38421. Okay, let me go back and do it. Let me do 22,000 times 3.45, then divided by 38. And then it said that we were going to round to the nearest dollar. That's your savings. Okay, I think I'm going to round it to the nearest cent first, so that I won't have any kind of round off error. So let me do the nearest cent first. If I do this nearest cent, this is 5 or more. Yes, it is. So I had 1. So this is about 1,997.39. Okay. And yeah, this is money. Okay. And this is 37, right, class? So is this 5 or more? Yes, it's an 8. So add 1 to this. 6 and 1, 7. Okay. So this is 37 cents. Okay. All right. So now we'll do this again. But now instead of the hybrid, what was the other vehicle? Was it an SUV? Okay, so the 22,000 miles will be the same. And the gasoline, $3.45 per gallon will be the same. But on the miles per gallon on the SUV, what's that going to be? SUV that averages 21 miles per gallon on the SUV that averages 21 gallon. Yeah, and technically, the reason why this is just dollar signs, because technically cancel out where your units are like the miles, right? And then the gallons should be falling out. And you're just left with the dollar sign, the money. Okay, so now this is, clear this, or I guess I could, yeah, I'm gonna clear that. So we have 20,000 divided by 21 times 3.45. Okay, so let me go the other way. 22,000 times 3.45. divided by 21. See, we get the same thing. I'm kind of just checking my work there. And then if I round it to nearest cent, is this neighbor 5 or more? Yeah, so I'll add 1. So it looks like it's 29 cents. So you have the hybrid, which does save money, it's lower. And then you have the SUV, okay? And they wanted to know what was the savings, compute the savings and few expenses. So you would have to subtract. Okay, so the annual savings. So I'm put your subtract. So the larger minus the smaller. Okay. Yeah, and then if you're doing this by hand, you definitely have to line up right your decimal points, and then you can definitely double check on your 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 take away 3, you'd have to borrow. So decrease this 4, make that a 3. The 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. You can't do 3 minus 7, so you'd have to borrow from this 1, make that a 0, decrease that. This 3 now becomes 13. So 13 minus 7. So I believe that's what, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And so you can't do 0 minus 9. So you'd have to borrow from the 6, make the 6 a 5, decrease that. This 0 becomes a 10. So now you've got 10 minus 9, which is 1. And now you can't do 5 minus 9. So you borrow from the 3, make that a 2, and this 5 becomes a 15. So 15 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 6 minus 1 is 1. Okay. And so we have this amount here, and you can just double check 3614.29 minus 1997.37. 1616.92. Yeah, okay. And they say here, let's see, compute the saved expenses, simplify your answer, round to nearest dollar as needed. Okay. Oh, and then they have, so you can kind of check our answer there. So around this to nearest dollar, that's the ones place value. That's the nearest dollar. Okay, so we're talking about this right here. 6, and let's look at the number to the right. Is that 5 or more? Yep, that's a 9. So add 1 to that box number, add 1. That becomes a 7. So we're looking at 1617. Right, that's the nearest dollar. Okay. And let me see, I didn't check, I don't think I checked 14. Let me just go back and look at 14. 14. Yeah, that was good. So I didn't remember we had checked 14, but yeah, those two answers come up, so I'm making sure. Okay, so let's go, that's 15. Okay, let's go to 16 now. 16 or 16. Let's see, I'm seeing like a part 2 that I did for that problem. Let me see what's going on here. Let's see. I have like 15 continued here in my notes. So let me see what I did here. Looks like I have a part 2 to that. Let me see what it says. It says that, I'll just show you that. I think that would be too long though. Let me just see it on a test. Let me see if there's like a part 2 to it. Let me just see. It says that suppose you deposit your monthly few savings at the end of each month into an annuity that pays 4.7% compounded monthly. How much will you have saved at the end of 4 years? Okay, so you're doing an annuity and you're depositing your monthly few savings, and you know how much will you have saved at the end of 4 years or accumulated, right? So anytime, because you're doing some kind of an annuity, you would want to use this formula, and the payments here would be, you're getting your payments from your few savings, and these are annual few savings, right? So this was an annual fuel savings of 1,617. So you would divide that by 12, and then you would get monthly payments. Divide that by 12, and you would put those monthly deposits, those monthly payments here, and it set the rate. Let's say the rate's 4.7%. So you move your decimal over 2 places to the left, and this would be monthly. It's compounded monthly divided by 12. And you would be doing this, they said, for 4 years. 4 years. Yeah, so I think earlier we did a problem with an annuity already. So there wouldn't be a need to do another annuity problem because you've already done one. So I think we'll be okay, but let me just show you that then here, what I have. So you see they're taking that few expense that we got and they're dividing it by 12. Okay. And here was the rate. So divided by 100, you move it 2 places to the left. And this is monthly. And this would have been, they said, for 4 years. 12 times 4 is 48. And here's this annoying little -1. I can't stand that little -1. To be careful not to forget about that when you type that in. And the good thing is that when you divide by 12 on your calculator, the good thing is that, see, it terminates. So that's nice. If you had round off, like if it hadn't terminated, it would have gone on long decimals and you'd have to work with this amount, type this in. But it did terminate to this, so that's nice. And you see how I'm working with this? This doesn't terminate, this part doesn't. If I do 0.047, 0.047 divided by 12, see how that's repeating? So you cannot terminate this on your own because then you're gonna have round off error. So you've got to work with that entire amount. 12 times 4 is 48. There's your -1. Yeah, so then when you type something like this in, you want to definitely make use of this key. So let's just try that for the practice. So you have you hit that key, 134.75. Okay, and then parentheses. That's okay. This has a bracket and another parenthesis. So that's okay. You have the parentheses, and then you have, let's see. another set of parentheses here on this one. Yes, let's see. So you want to do another set of parentheses, and then 1 plus, and then n over d, 0.047, and this is over 12, and then push this to the right here, right here. Okay, and then close that parenthesis, and then hit your caret key. You're exponent, raising it to the 48th power. And then you have to be careful here because you need to push this back down. So let's see, I'm going to push this here. Yep, see that? And then take away 1, and then close the parentheses. And then you can hit the down arrow. Now you go down to the bottom. 0.047. Oh, excuse me. I wanted to do this N over D key. So let me back up. Back up. Delete it. Delete. 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 Okay. See me? I deleted that. Okay. So I went back and I deleted that so that I can hit this N over D key. Okay, 0.047 and hit that down arrow key. Goodness, and 12. And now you can just hit the enter because there's nothing else that we need. And we're supposed to get 7, 1. We're supposed to get this. We did this right. This is what I got the other day when I did that. Okay, that matches. Yes, okay, good. Let me just double check something while you write that down. I thought we did something like that earlier. Let's see, I don't remember having to do 2 sets of parentheses. Let me just go back real quick. I hope I didn't forget a -1 somewhere. But no, we've been checking our answers. Oh, I think I know why it would happen. Let's see. I don't remember having to do those parentheses and parentheses again. But we did that earlier, but I think it was because when we were doing 13, so I can remember. I think when we were doing 13, there's something, see, this didn't terminate like over here. See, this was nice, it's terminated. So that's why this terminated and I add 1 is what happened. Yeah, so I didn't need those extra set of parentheses because this, for one, this terminated. Added 1 to that. And then that annoying little -1, I pulled it to the front here. I did -1 plus this other value. So I didn't need 2 sets of parentheses there. And even here, these parentheses, you don't really need those parentheses there. See, you have that raised to the power. See that? So you don't really need those parentheses there because you got it raised to the 420th power. Okay. Yeah, so, but on this one, there's no way around these 2 sets of parentheses here because this part didn't terminate. So yeah, and so, yeah, that was why I needed that in there because it didn't terminate. It was at one point something I worked with that because it didn't terminate. All right. Yeah, okay, just making sure. Okay. So I guess that's a good practice problem because on your test, I don't know, when you do the problem similar to this, I don't know if this is going to terminate or not on your test. So you do need to know kind of both, be familiar with both just in case, right? So the one when it terminates, it's a bit easier than when it doesn't. Definitely make a good use of this key, right? And so far, this is the only one that needed that 2 sets of parentheses in here. Okay. So just practice that, be careful with that. Okay, and then we round it to the nearest dollar on this one. Yeah, so we have already done an annuity before prior to that, so I don't think there's a need to tack that part on your test to this one because we've already done annuity. So I'll have to take a look at that on your test then, okay? Because we are timed for the 110 minutes because then it gets too long. Okay, but it's a good practice, okay? So that was a second part of this cost view problem here. And you probably did that on your homework, right? In your homework. Probably did one where you were just doing the cost of the view and then another one where you suppose if you were investing that money. I think I remember seeing that in there. Okay. Okay, so we're good. Okay, let's do 16. Excuse me. Okay, 16. Okay, so this one looks like they're directing us to which problem use. It's PMT for payment, but this time it looks like it says to determine the regular payment amount. But what are we buying here? Are we buying a car again? I don't think so. It's a home, price of a home, $234,000 home. The bank requires a 20% down payment, and then it's the bank requires a down payment to the seller. The down payment goes to the seller, right? But then the lending institution, they're going to charge you 3 points at time of closing. So those 3 points that they charge you, it's like 3 divided by 100. So it's 0.03. You're multiplied by 0.03. But that goes to the lending institution. So you're being charged for using their institution. And so that goes to the lending institution. So that money doesn't come off your mortgage payment. It doesn't. It's going towards like you're paying the lending institution for them loaning you money. The cost of the home is financed with 30 years, fixed rate mortgage at 8.5%, complete parts A through E below. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at what we have. So first of all, it says find the required down payment. Okay. Okay, so the price of the home was $234,000, and this is going to the seller, and it's 20%, which 20% over 100 is 0.2. So 20% divided by 100 is 0.2. So I'll multiply this times 0.2, which is the same as 0.20, right? So you don't need that 0 there. And 234,000 times 0.2 is $46,800. So that's a good amount of money that you're putting down. Okay. Okay, and then part B asks for find the amount of the mortgage. Okay, so I'm calling it P here. So this is going to be the $234,000. Take away that down payment, $46,800. Okay. So 234,000 minus 46800. Sometimes it's better to do it on your own by hand. 0 take away 0, 0 take away 0. Borrow. Make this a 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3, make that a 13. Decrease this, make that a 2. 6 and 6 is 12. Okay. You can't do that 2, so you have to borrow. Make that a 12. 8. And then 1. And then sometimes it's better to just do it by hand and then double check. So you're double checking, because sometimes you might be tired, you type one number off. You're wrong, you type one number off when you're typing it in. Okay. All right, so there's your mortgage payment. Okay, and then C is how much must be paid for the 3 points at closing. And round to the nearest dollar is needed. Okay, so excuse me. So 3 points is 3 divided by 100, which is 0.03. Okay, and you're going to multiply that, and the 3 points goes to the lending institution. So that's important to know who the money goes to. Where the down payment goes to the seller, the 3 points goes to the lending institution, and you're going to do that off the mortgage. So it's the mortgage times the points, basically. So we're doing 187,200 times 0.03. Excuse me. So you get 5,616. Okay, and then part D, find the monthly payment excluding escrow taxes and insurance. Okay, so it'd be PMT for the payment. And so we're looking at this, and we did this. We used this formula also earlier when we bought a car, trying to find the payments on a car. So it could be when we take the test that if it has all these parts A through E, I could just have you doing like parts A through C, maybe, right? Because I'm interested in learning, how to calculate the points. In case you need to explain to somebody about the points, you would have an idea that goes to the lending institution. How much are you paying? But this is the same practice as what we did with the car. We're using this formula again, so there wouldn't be a need to go all the way through on that. But I'll have to look at that on the test. But for the practice, let's do this. Let's see. So the payment would be that mortgage payment of 187,200, excuse me. And then R divided by N. So the rate is going to be see 8.5%. So 8.5 divided by 100. That should be 0.085. So you move it 2 places over to the left. And this is why I want you to write your formula down on your paper. So you see I didn't write down my paper, so I'm going back and forth and look at all these formulas. So it's easy to make a mistake. That's why I have you write the formula down on your paper, and then from there you substitute. And so this is R divided by N, And N is, we're making 12 monthly payments per year. Buy a home, make a payment every month, right? And then on the bottom, excuse me, you have y minus 1 plus, and then your rate, so 0.085 divided by 12, close parentheses, and then it's the negative, see? Negative NT. So negative N is 12, and T is, I think, how many years did they say? It's a long time. I said 30 years, yeah. I think 20 is ideal, right? 30, so 30. Okay, so negative, they do have 20-year mortgages. They just don't advertise them a lot. So they advertise the 15 and the 30th, but 20 is also pretty comparable. And then if you can make extra payments out of the 20, that would be really ideal. So minus 12 times 30 is a negative 360. Okay, now let me see if this terminates. Let me see 0.085 divided by 12. Ooh, it doesn't. See how that's repeating? So that means you have to work with that. You cannot terminate that on your own. You get round off error. So let's see. Close this bracket. Okay. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's practice this. Let's type this in. Okay, so N over D. Okay, so you're gonna do 187,200 parentheses. Oh, I tell you what. Let me see, backspace. Delete that. Oh yeah, I do need the parentheses, right? Because I did this earlier. Remember when I did the ND? This isn't going to work. See that? I didn't want that. Sorry. So let's see. N over D, 97,200, and then parentheses, and then there we go. N over D, 0.085 over 12, and then come over here. Close the parentheses. Okay, then come down. And you don't need the parentheses here because this is all on the bottom. See, that's why we wanted to use this N over D key. We wanted this horizontal. So you actually don't need these parentheses, these brackets here. But when it comes to this, we will here. So I can do 1, take away, open parentheses, 1 plus, now do this N over D key. It's pretty cool here. 0.085 on the bottom, 12, and then come out here, close, see, close up parentheses, and then raise it to the negative 360 power. So close the parentheses, then put your hat key, and then be careful here, it's a negative, so the negative, don't use the minus sign, you want to use this little negative sign changer. And it was 360 because the 12 times the 30, so it's negative 360. And then now you can just hit enter because that's the last piece that we're typing in. Okay, let's see. Excuse me. Oh, there we go, right there. See that? And it looks like they rounded to the nearest dollar, round to the nearest dollar. Okay, so we round to the nearest dollar. Let me write this down. This is the nearest dollar right here. And then look at the, is this 5 or more? No. Okay, so 1439. Okay. Okay, and what else are they asking? Then they want you to find the total cost of interest over the 30 years. Okay, total cost of interest over the 30 years. Okay, so yeah, so we did something like this earlier with the car problem too, didn't we? When we're doing that. So the idea is when you're finding the total cost of the interest, excuse me, over 30 years. Okay, so this is going to be the total of all your payments minus the mortgage. So that would mean you take your payment and you multiply it times your in, and you multiply it times your time, and then you subtract that off the amount of, the other time we did this, it was the minus the amount of the loan. This is the amount of the mortgage. Okay, so your payments were 1,439. So we got that from here. And then your in is 12. And then your time was 30 years. And then the mortgage was $187,200. That's your mortgage. Okay. So then 1,439 times 12 times 30 is wow, $518,040 minus that 187,200. So that's showing 330,840. And that's matching that 330,840. Okay. Yeah, so let me go back to that problem. We did something like that earlier, right, with the car. Oh, let's see. Yeah, we did something similar like this, number 14, where we were trying to buy a car, I believe, and you put 7,000 down, and we were trying to find the payments. And then the interest, total interest. See, we had to take the payment times the years, and it was monthly, minus the loan, the value of the loan was your total interest. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so then, because then it gets too long on the test, so there should be a way for me just to do parts of this payment, like part of the to the closing to the closing point. So I have to take a look at that. So otherwise it won't be so long. But this is still good practice for us to type this in and to practice on the interests, okay? Excuse me. Okay, so now we need 17. So advice from most financial advisors states that to spend no more than 28% of one's gross monthly income for one's mortgage payment and to spend no more than 36% of one's gross monthly income for one's total monthly debt. Suppose a family has a gross annual income of $38,400. What is the maximum amount the family should spend each month on a monthly mortgage payment? Okay, all right. So for this problem, 17. So we're asking what's the max monthly payment? And this is mortgage. So what you have to do with the income, you have to take the annual income and divide it by 12 first. So the family income was 38,400, and you do want to divide that by 12. $38,400 divided by 12, which is 3,200. And this is per month. This is what they call monthly gross income. So now you want to take that value, the 3,200, and you want to multiply that by the 28%. 28% is 0.28. So I just do times 0.28 is $896. This is per month. And this is for a mortgage payment. Okay, and then part B, you simply want to take that 3,200 and you want to multiply it now times 0.36 for the 36%. That's the max monthly total credit obligation. So you're going to take 3,200 times 0.36. 1152. $1,152. So A was the max monthly mortgage, B was the max monthly total credit obligations, okay? And that's related. So we took their income divided by 12, and then that value that we got, that monthly payment, we multiplied it by 0.28, okay, for the mortgage payment. And then we took that divided by 12, took that payment, which was 3,200, multiplied it by 0.36 for the monthly credit obligations, monthly debt, right? Monthly debt to pay that, total credit obligations. Okay, and then if the family's monthly mortgage payment is 80% of the maximum they can afford, what's the maximum amount they could spend each month for all other debts, okay? Okay, so you're going to take that part A answer, that $896 per month, and you're going to multiply it times 0.8 because they said 80% of the maximum they can afford. And then you'll have to subtract. So you'll have to subtract the part B. You'll have to subtract then from part B, which is your max monthly total credit obligations. Okay, and the value that's left should be part C, the maximum amount they should spend monthly on all other debts. Okay, so let's see. So you're going to take that 896 times that 80%. $716.80. Yeah, that's not 8 cents. That's not 8 cents. That's 80 cents. Okay. And then the max spent on other debt will be basically your part B minus your part C. So that 1,152 total credit obligations, max total credit obligations, minus the 716.80, which is a biggie, right? That's the home, for the home, right? And then let's see what's left over. $435.20. Okay. $435.20. Is that all right then, class? So if the family's monthly mortgage payment is 80% of the maximum they can afford, what the maximum amount they should spend each month for all other debts. Yeah. Okay, so we had to take their monthly payment, $896 here per month for the mortgage payment, multiply it times 0.8 or 0.80, and we got this value, and then we had to subtract that from the total credit obligations, and that answers part C. Okay. All right. So that's 17. Okay, let's see what 18 says. Here's 18. So the following problem refers to a stock table, okay, for this incorporated company. So I'm not sure I pronounced that. Cured, a computer company. Use the stock below to answer the following questions. Where necessary, round the dollar amount to the nearest cent, the hundredths place. They want us to compute the company's annual earnings per share, round to nearest cent. Okay, so company's annual earnings. Okay, we want this. See, this says right across stocks, annual earnings per share on stocks. Your closing price per share divided by the PE ratio. Okay, and the PE ratio stands for price to earnings. The price to earnings ratio. Okay. Okay, so on 18, let's do that. Let me write down the formula. Okay, and your book actually includes the word yesterday's in the formula. Your book actually puts yesterday's closing price per share. And then the PE stands for price to earnings ratio. Yeah, so it's a matter of just looking up the numbers correctly on the table. So, and that'll find your annual earnings per share. So if you look at the closing cost, see, this is your closing, 55.85. And even though they don't show a dollar sign, it's a closing price, so it's a dollar sign divided by the price to earnings. So that would be this right here, PE, price to earnings. So it's 22. Yeah, and so I'm gonna just put $1 sign. I don't know because it says round to your cent, it's a dollar sign. So these dollar signs are not canceling out. So I'm not sure. One of them probably doesn't have a dollar sign. Let me just leave it like that. So I'm gonna do 55.85 divided by 22. It's probably the ratio that doesn't, because this says yesterday's closing price and this is like a ratio. So this is probably the one that doesn't. And so I get 2.538636364. Okay. And I'm rounding to near cent. Tenths, hundreds. Look at the right. Is that 5 or more? Yes. So add 1 to that. So 2.54. That matches this. Okay, so what's the short and sweet problem? Okay, all right. So 2 more. So let me see. 19. So what's going on with 19? 19 says that use the appropriate formula to determine the periodic deposit. How much of the financial goal comes from deposits and how much comes from interest? Okay, let's see. So periodic deposit question mark at the end of every 3 months. There's a rate of 2.5% compounded quarterly, and the time is 6 years, and the financial goal is 22,000. So it says the periodic deposit is blank. Do not round until the final answer, then round up to the nearest dollar as needed. Okay, so we're trying to find out, use appropriate formula to determine the periodic deposit. So okay, so this is one of those problems. Then you're trying to find out, you have a goal, like how much I have to put in this account every 3 months. Every 3 months, I've got to put a payment in there every 3 months, so that after 6 years, you have a goal of $22,000. So this is the one where you are going to have to round up. You're going to round the deposit made at the end of each compounding period up to not fall short of your goal. So that's important. So and so we're going to do one of these formulas that got that P in there, and the book uses that, or this formula sheet uses the PM. So we're actually going to use this formula right here. Yeah, and we haven't used this formula yet. We've done something similar, but we haven't used this formula yet. So this payment, depositing this payment. Okay, so I have a comment here that regular payments needed to achieve a financial goal. So the deposit P that must be marked at the end of each compounding period into an annuity that pays annual interest rates are in decimal form compounded n times per year in order to achieve a value of, let's say, $8 after T years. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so we want to use this formula right here then. Okay. And they do give us choices to kind of help narrow that down. And it's this last one here. We want to find this P. So you see, your formula sheet does PM, P sub M. See, this one just does P. So sometimes they can do that. They can change this a little bit slightly, still P, and everything else is identical, right? So don't let that throw you off on that. Okay. All right. So down the formula. Excuse me. Okay. All right. So your A is going to be that financial goal of 22,000. Okay. So this A is your financial goal. And you want to have 22,000 in the account. The rate was 2.5. So 2.5 divided by 100 You move your decimal over twice. So that should be 0.025, 0.025. And then dividing it by n. And here it did say, it's not 12, it said, see, compounded quarterly. Okay. And it says at the end of every 3 months. Yeah, at the end of 3. So it has a couple places. Yeah, that's why your n is going to be 4. So you have 1 plus 0.025 divided by 4. Okay. Yeah, so that's this part here. And then n is 4. And then t, they said, remember, they said 6 years. Okay, so 6 times 4 is 24. And then you have that minus. Don't forget about that minus 1. Okay. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll put the minus 1 in front. So sometimes what I'll do on the denominator, I'll do this. I will put this right away, minus 1, and then I'll put a plus. And then I put this here, 1 plus 0.025 over 4, and it's raised to the 24th power. So sometimes in my work, I put this annoying little -1 in the front. This is -1 here. Here it's a -1 here when I do that. And I put a plus sign, and then I put this part. Because I'm just concerned I'm going to forget about this once I finish this. So let's just keep that in mind. It's an option for you. Okay, now let me see if this terminates. Let me see what's 0.025 divided by 4. Okay, good. See how that terminates? That's good. And so I'm going to say then that this is 22,000 times that 0.00625. And then on the bottom, I have, see this again? This you already just computed that. So I'm going to just add 1 to that. So 0.025 divided by 4 plus 1. That's 1.00625. And then raised to the 24th power. And then it's minus 1. Yeah, and if you're using that n over, if you're using that n over d key, then you don't really need these brackets down here. If you're doing that key, you should be fine. Let's just show it. So I have n over d key, right here. See that? Okay, and then I'm going to put 22,000 times 0.00625, close the parentheses. Then we go down to the bottom, and then I don't need the brackets because I'm already working at the bottom the way this is set up. So I'm going to do 1.00625. I'm going to raise it to the 24th power. But now I need that minus 1. So then I hit this key on the side here, right here to bring it down. And then I do the minus 1. And then I do enter. Okay. Or you can put the minus 1 like I was talking about, doing a minus 1 first. So if I do let me just write this down though first. Okay, so let me go back again. So if I do N over D, right? And then I do 22,000. And then I do times. And I could even just do times, so I don't even have to do parentheses. I do times 0.00625. And I come to the bottom. And then I put the -1 first. So then I do a negative one, not a -1, a -1. So I do this down here, -1 plus, so I put this in first, a -1 plus this. So -1 plus this value. Okay, so I did -1 -1 and then plus, oh, I had already done a plus, let me back, I already put a plus sign, plus 1.00625 raised to the 24th power. Yeah, and then enter. I should get the same thing. 19, and then I'm gonna, okay, and remember, stay alert. This is a P, this is a P, so you have to round up so that you don't fall short of your financial goal. So you have to round up. And did they say the dollar or cent? Are we rounding up to nearest dollar or are we rounding up to nearest cent? It does say round up to the nearest dollar. Okay. Yeah, and I know that's not 5 or more. And so you would think, okay, it's 852, but it's a P. So you actually want to round up due to just being a P or PM, which is the same though as a P. It's still a P, okay? PM is still P. And you want to round up to avoid a shortfall of reaching your goal, your financial goal. Okay. Yeah, so that's why we round up to 853 for that reason. Okay, and so, okay, what else is going on now? What else? And it says blank of the 22,000 comes from deposits. Okay, so let's see. Deposits. So we had how many years? 6 years. And how many times were we doing this? Like it wasn't every month, it was compounded quarterly. So our N is 4. Our N is 4 quarterly. Okay. So 19 continued. So the total deposits are that PM, which I was calling P, times your T years, which was 6 years, times N, which this is compounded. Let me see. Yeah, so N times per year. Which is 4 times. It's quarterly. Okay, so our PM payments was $853, remember? Times 6 years times 4 quarterly. 853 times 6 times 4. Wow, 20,472. Those are, wow, that's a lot of deposits, right? Those are your deposits. Okay. Okay, so those are your deposits. So blank of the $22,000 comes from the deposits. Okay. And then blank comes from the interest. Okay, so this is where we'll subtract. So it's your financial goal minus your total deposits. So our financial goal, remember, was 22,000 minus your total deposits were 20,472. So 22,123 minus 2,472 is 1,528. Okay. Okay, and then the last problem, okay, problem 20. So 20 says that in 2012, the average credit card debt per U.S. household was $15,374. Assume your debt is consolidated to one card and you make a payment of $5,000 on January the 2nd, and your card has an APR of 1.5 a month. Determine the minimum payment for January, due in February if you do not make additional purchases. So they're reminding us that the average daily balance is the sum of the unpaid balances for each day in the billing cycle divided by the number of days in the billing cycle. Okay. So I believe that the problem that will be selected for your test already has the average daily balance figured, and it's like in a table, in a column that you would just look up. And but this one's on your review, and this one we will have to, this one's not given, so this one we will have to compute it. So we'll compute that. But then after that, you want the interest for this payment cycle, and then the balance due, and the minimum monthly payment. Okay, so you're going to do something like the ladder 3 on your test then. Okay, so I'm going to show you the average daily balance here, how to do that, but it will be provided for you to save some time on the test. It's in a list there. You just have to read it off your list, and because you need that to find, you need that average daily balance so that you can find see, what do you use that value for? Would that be because yeah, because you need that on your principal. Why would you need to find your average daily balance? It's because when you find your interest to be paid, interest equals principal times rate times time. That principal is that average daily balance. So you're going to just look that up on your chart and then multiply it times the rate, and then the time would be one in that 1 month for your billing cycle. Okay, but this problem doesn't give you the average daily balance, so we have to figure that. So I'm going to go through that just to help you, but on the test it'll be figured for you. Okay, so excuse me. So you can see on your homework you have to do a little chart. You have your date, your unpaid balance. So the date, I'm going to put here January the 1st, and then January the 2nd, because there was a payment made. And the unpaid balance, they said, was $15,374. And on January the 2nd, you made a payment of $5,000. And now you have this balance of $10,374. Okay, so that's where I'm getting this from. See this number here? And see how it says you made a payment of $5,000. That's where I'm getting that from. Okay, so then my chart, I'm going to put here number of days at each unpaid balance. So I'm also going to put, what's also helpful is to have the calendar days, how many days in a calendar. So that's also helpful because we're dealing with the month of January. So you want to know you have 31 days. And I'll put the other ones in a little bit. But the reason why that's helpful is because on the number of days at each unpaid balance, we had your chart when you start off with the first, right? The first day, January the 1st. And that's why this is helpful, because under your total here, there's 31 days in January. So you know this is 31 here. And so this had to be 30, because when you add up all these total days, they have to equal the amount of calendar days for that month. And January had 31 days. It didn't have either has 31 days, 30, or 29 days, right? And so you need that 31. So what do I need here? What if I subtract 31 minus 1, that gives me 30. So when I do this sum, I want it total days in the calendar year, okay, which is 31. And then I have unpaid balance times the number of days. So I'm doing 15,374 times 1. Which is 15,374. So I don't have enough room to write. And then I'm doing 10,374 times 30. And then that gives me a total. Yeah. So 15,374 times 1 is 15,374. And then 10,374 times 30 is this large number. Excuse me. Plus, is this about 50,000, 374. which gives me this huge total of 326,594. Okay. All right. So I have a January, February, January 31, February is 29, March was 31. I don't know, we had a leap year recently, didn't we? I don't know. Was there one February? Normally we have 28 days and we have that extra day. I was looking at this recent calendar. Remember, April, May is 31, June is 30, July is 31, August is 31, September is 30th, October is 31, November is 30th, December is 31. All right. So this one might be off if we had a leap year, if it has an extra day in there. But that's the idea. So when you're doing this on your homework problem, it's good to have this because it comes in handy. We were doing the month of January. You want this total to be 31 days in January. So that was helpful to get this missing date that I needed because you didn't make any other charges or any other payments except this one payment. So there wasn't a lot of activity going on here. But now to find, excuse me, the average balance. So you're going to take your sum of the unpaid balances for each day in a billing period. That's what your formula says. And you can divide it by the number of days in a billing period. So that should give you this 326,594. That's your sum of your unpaid balance. Okay. Divided by 31, because in January you had total 31 days. And then I want to divide that out. Excuse me. Okay, and I round to the nearest cent. 10,535.29. Okay, and that's your, that will should match. Just double check that. Okay, that matches. So like I said, on your test to save time, I was able to find a problem that already gives you this average balance already, so you don't have to take time on the test figuring that, because that is time consuming. So I found a problem that already lists it for you. So then you had, how are you going to use that? Well, you're going to use that balance that they give you to find the interest to be paid, and that's what they're asking here. See, the interest for this payment cycle is okay. So we use, excuse me, I equals PRT, and P is that that's why you need this. That's the average daily balance. Okay. Times your rate. And that's your monthly interest rate. Times your time, and your time is just 1 month. And so for us, that average daily balance was $10,535.29. And on your problem, it'll be on a chart. You just got to look it up on the chart and identify it, average daily balance. And then the monthly interest rate, they said was, let's see. See this 1.5%. Okay, so that's nice and low. Okay, so move it 2 places over to the left. That's 0.015, and it was times 1 month. Okay, and then we're gonna multiply that, and we're gonna round that to, looks like the nearest cent. Times 1. You don't have to do times 1. So you should get this. Oh, see the second value there? And there's penny. See that? Okay, and look at the number to the right. Is that 5 or more? Yeah, so add 1 to that. Okay, it's your interest. And then they want to know the balance due. Okay, so it's your unpaid balance, excuse me, plus your interest charge. So your unpaid balance was, where was that unpaid balance? Let's see. Oh yeah, that was where remember you had made a payment of 5,000 and no more charges. So that was right here after that. Yeah, so what you'll do on the test is you will do something similar. You'll have to go back and do a little bit of figuring for that. So you're gonna have a few charges, a few payments. So you have to do a few subtractions and adding, just like here, you just had a subtraction, but they'll tell you you made a few charges, a few things. So you'll have to subtract and then add as needed to get to this unpaid balance. So here they only paid down 5,000. They didn't make any more charges, but they only made a payment of 5,000. That was it. This is your unpaid balance. So you'll have to do that on your test problem. You'll have a few charges made, a few payments, and you just, add and subtract those values. And then here the interest charge was at 158. 0.03. And so now when you add those up, $10,532.03. Okie doke. Okay. All right. So that's the balance due. Okay, then on the minimum monthly payment, so they'll have a little excerpt about the restrictions or whatnot on the payment. This says that this particular credit card requires a minimum monthly payment, a $10 minimum monthly payment, if the balance due at the end of the billing cycle is less than $360. Otherwise, the minimum monthly payment is 1/36 of the balance due at the billing period. So similarly on your problem, on your test, there's like a little chart, and depending on where that dollar value falls, and then of course if there's overage, it's also a fractional part of that. Okay. And so on ours, the balance due, it was over, right? For us in this problem, it was going to be over. So we want to do 1/36 of the balance. So it says, let's see, if the balance due is less, then it's a $10. Otherwise, it's 1/36 of the balance due. Okay. Yeah. So ours is at 10,532. So you see this balance due? You know, definitely it goes over the 360, right? Definitely goes over that. Yeah, so we're going to have to do the 1/36. So we're going to say minimum monthly payment is 1/36 of the balance. Okay. So 1/36 times $10,532.03. So basically, it's like, yeah, we're going to be multiplied straight across. So 1 times that. So we have 10,532.03 divided by 36. Okay. Okay. Okay, so then when I show this, it's going to be 10,532.03 divided by 36, because it's 1/36. So 1 times this, and 36 times this. It's over, imagine 1 here, and we get and then we're going to round to the nearest cent, they said. Tens, hundreds. Look at the number 2. Is that 5 or more? Yes. So add 1 to that. So 292.56. Look at that. 292.56. All right. Okay. And that's a wrap, class. That's a wrap. Good. All right. Okay. I'm looking at the time. No wonder I keep yawning. I'm so sorry, I'm yawning because it's really getting late already. Okay, but we finished. We finished going over these for you. Okay, so hopefully that will help you as you study and give you some hints for the tests and whatnot, and help you study and do well on your tests. Okay, so good luck with your study, Mino Math, and take care. Okay, take care. All right. Bye bye.